Hello, and thank you for watching this tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the various ways of adding addresses to MyRoute Online. The most obvious method is to type your addresses manually into the address list. At the top of the list is the Start Address field. This is a special field that tells the program you want to start your route at this specific address. Right below the Start Address field is a checkbox you can use to tell the program you wish to return to the start address at the end of the route. If you want your route to end at an address that is different from the start address, check the box prior to typing your start address and then fill the fields with your desired start and end addresses. When entering addresses, please use as complete an address as possible. This will help Google and MyRoute Online return the best geocoding results for you. Please also remember that apartment and suite numbers do not always geocode nicely, so we recommend that you put the apartment or suite number in the title field or in a comments field. To display additional columns in the address list, click the Columns link in the upper right corner and then choose the columns you wish to display. Another way to add addresses, and probably the most convenient way, is by importing from an Excel spreadsheet. Click Import and Reload, then select Import Excel File, and select the correct file from your local storage. We have an in-depth video on importing from Excel, so please watch that video for all of the details. If you're using MyRoute Online on a device that does not have a hard drive, you can import a file that is stored on Dropbox or Google Drive. To import from Dropbox, click Import and Reload, then Import from Dropbox. You will likely need to connect to Dropbox, so click Connect when prompted. Then, of course, sign into Dropbox and find the file that you wish to import. Google Drive is very similar to Dropbox. You will choose Import from Google Drive, then connect, and sign in, choose the file you wish to import. The bulk edit option can be very handy in a couple of ways. If your list of addresses is in a Word or other text document, you can copy and paste the entire list into the bulk edit window. Alternately, you can use the bulk edit window as an option for typing your addresses without having to tab through the fields. Just remember to use two pipe symbols to separate the fields. The pipe symbol is typically right below the backspace key on most keyboards. After you click Done in the bulk edit window, the program will fill your address list automatically. If you've forgotten to identify one of the addresses as the start address, simply use the vertical ellipses right here and then select as start address. As you can see, there are multiple options for getting your addresses into MyRoute Online. If you have additional questions, please consult our user guides or email us at support@myrouteonline.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using MyRoute Online.